Sige, sampulan mo nga ka na kasi balita ka malakas to. Magaling ka raw kumanta.
Nakain ako ng matamis kung kakatayin mo ako.
Scrolling through my cell phone for the 20th time today. Reading the text you sent me again. Though I memorized it.
Kanta tayo. Anong kantayin natin?
Teka, ano?
Isip ka. Mili, sundan lang kita, may luwa ako.
Ako magmamelo?
Hindi ko nga alam ang lyrics nga eh.
Yung alam mo na lang, ako magmamelo.
Wala nga akong alam, lahat mali-mali.
May lyrics ako dito.
Mabili na. Ang katagal naman.
Kakabuksan na siya.
Ano nga? Kahit ano nga, magmimelaw lang ako. Hindi nga.
Just give me. Para naman nakalive tayo dito, makakabay sila eh.
When you said that you would never leave me, you told me more, so much more like when the time you whispered in my ears, there was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever.
Without even saying that you leave it, I was hurt and it really was. Ay, di ka pala paking. So to forget yesterday, and I pray that you would stay. But then you're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time. Alam ko na, kisit-tantingan yan ha. Kisit-tantingan yung video eh.